Okay, this next video is to show you how to move around a drawing, so scrolling around and zooming into certain parts of it. So as before, we want to open our drawing. You can do that in one of two ways. You can open up Windows Explorer and go in that way, or File Explorer, or you can go into Autocad and go to Recent Documents and open it from there. So we're going to open the Release 14 drawing that I just created in our first video. Okay, ignore that text file again. Okay, so say I wanted to zoom into a certain part of this drawing. I've actually put a circle around the area I want to zoom into because I know that we're going to work on this file later. So there's two ways of doing that. You can put your crosshairs into the middle of that, and using the scroll wheel on the mouse you can scroll forwards, and that will basically let you zoom into any area that you put your cursors in the middle of. So I've just done that with the circle. You could try it with this top left corner up here, and it'll centralize whatever your cursors are sort of are over, basically. Once you're into that, you can pan the drawing around by pushing down on the scroll key. And you can see you get a little pan or hand sign on the screen, and you can pan around. If you say you're a little bit too close in, you can just scroll the mouse button down again just to zoom you out a little bit more till you're happy with where you're situated. So I'm going to just pan around a bit more till I'm back at this circle and get that right in the center of the screen. The alternative way of zooming into a portion of the screen or part of the drawing is to actually use keyboard commands, and you would do that by typing Z on the keyboard, and you can see it comes up with Z zoom as the first option. You can either click on that or you can hit enter, and then you can actually, it tells you can specify a corner of window or enter a scale factor. I'm just going to left click just at the top of that circle, and then left click once I've drawn a rectangle or square around, and that then zooms into that area that I wanted to go and have a look at again. You can then type, if you want to go back to where you were, you can type Z and then return and then P for previous, and that then takes us back out to where we were with the full screen of the drawing. So in a nutshell, you've got the scroll wheel for panning and zooming on your mouse, and you've also got the Z option on the keyboard for zooming in. Okay.